Hey guys, so today I got this new cordless hair clipper from Bestbomg, and this here is the unboxing video. And on the side of this box we have the content of it, and surprisingly this does actually not match at all with what is actually inside of the box. So let's have a look inside. So now on the opposite side we have a couple of information here. A powerful motor, which I think is true, made in China, which is true, 3-hour battery life, and it comes with an adjustable blade. So but now let's actually open up the package here. So the first thing we find is another box inside of this box, and now here we have the actual content, starting out with the instructions manual, giving you a lot of safety information, and then also maintenance information, and generally how to use such a clipper here, a hair clipper. And then next I can take out here this plastic container, which turns out to be quite a useful storage bin for this clipper and all the attachments, and to keep it all together and doesn't fly around. So I'm definitely going to keep this here. Comes with a lid, and then in here are all the different components here, the cleaning brush. Then we have the charger, just a 5 volts and 1 amp charger. First of all, I thought it would be like a USB charger, but it turns out to be a different kind of connector here. You see, this is how the connector looks like. Then it comes with 8 combs, so 8 of these attachments with different sizes. So we have here 9mm, 16mm, 22mm, and here a bunch more. Then here the red one, that's a 3mm. Then here this purple one, that's 6mm. Then we have 19mm, and 25, and 12. And also here it comes with like a pretty cheap comb. I guess this may come in handy in case you don't have one. Now here we have the clipper itself, which actually has some weight to it. It's not like super light, but it's also not super heavy, just like what you may be used to from really professional hair clippers. But it doesn't feel all awfully cheap, even though it is all made out of plastic outside. Okay, so then here the red comes with the guard. Then hidden underneath this piece of tape is the on-off switch. This is on. It actually comes pre-charged, it seems. Here, 3 hours charging time. This is the connector on the bottom, and there you also have this little hook here, so you can hang it up on a hanger. That seems to be useful. And here there's a LED, this red LED, status LED if it's on or off. That also is on when you charge the battery of it. And here we had before this guard. You can just easily take this off. Works in the same way as the combs. So this is how you attach one of these combs. First you hook it in on the front, just like this, and then the back part, that's where you clip it in. It snaps into position so that it stays there safe while you're using it. This is how you remove it. Then here it has this lever here. You can use that to adjust the temper. It allows a setting from 1 to 3mm. You can see here how the bottom plate moves up and down as I am using the lever here. Yeah, and this is already it here about this cordless hair clipper from Bestbomg. Hope you liked this video. If you have any more questions, leave a comment below.